Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are delving into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 21st, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.56. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, suggesting that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 3.59% and 27.37%. In the long term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of -1.4%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -20.97% and 56.94% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $3.56 and $7.06. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock has been upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate following Friday's trading session. The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 4.46% on the last day, which was Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, dropping from $4.71 to $4.50. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.96%, reaching a low of $4.36 and a high of $4.62. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 0.67% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased by 5 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could indicate an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 80 million shares changed hands for approximately $358,170,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the stock price is 41.63%, or $3.21, below the 52-week high, and 93.28%, or $62.49, below the all-time high recorded on January 11th, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO Incorporated has stirred the market today with significant updates following its fourth quarter of 2024 earnings call. The company reported disappointing financial results, with a net loss widening unexpectedly despite a 45% increase in vehicle deliveries year over year. NIO generated approximately $2.7 billion in revenue for the quarter, falling short of analysts' expectations. This shortfall, along with a reported loss of 3.17 renminbi per share, has contributed to a notable decline in NIO's stock price, which plummeted by as much as 15% in pre-market trading. The volatility is further compounded by the intense price competition in China's electric vehicle market, raising concerns about profitability and sustainability. In the short term, this environment may lead to heightened investor caution, driving stock price declines as market sentiment pivots toward uncertainty. Longer-term implications depend on NIO's ability to adapt and innovate, particularly with the potential of battery swapping technology, which may enhance user convenience and bolster sales. Investors will be closely monitoring NIO's strategic moves in the coming months to gauge whether the company can mitigate current challenges and capitalize on future growth opportunities. Overall, today's news underscores a critical moment for NIO, impacting both immediate market reaction and long-range investment perspectives. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating with an upgrade recommendation. On the same day, Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, several negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The NIO stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $4.89 and $4.51. A breakout above either of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. A sell signal occurred from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 13.79%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 23 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago as well. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 5 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.44. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, NIO is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated 260 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 5.96%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 21st of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 0.420. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.71. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.44. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago, It took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.28, indicating a decrease of 4.9%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several negative indicators, suggesting it would typically be a candidate for selling. However, given the overall potential for a turnaround, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning it may be wise to hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 670 cents and commence trading at $4.49. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.